Yeah, I also use white for realistic brows to show volume and the effect of win-out hairs. Like in this case, besides volume, I also needed the effect of win-out hairs. I use white thoughtfully, rarely and minimally to achieve a bulging, voluminous and relief looks. Just a reminder, the brow down have a single hair of its own, and when I saw a chic two-tone beard, I immediately thought to try white color on the brows. If you want to learn how to draw realistic and voluminous brows for men, women and kids, welcome to my incubator club. You will learn how to do it. In my view, sketches are the most important thing in permanent makeup. They frame and stripe the face mimicry. And this will allow the client to understand what to do and how it will look. So if you're a client, demand a realistic sketch. If you're a master, start drawing realistic brows. Because besides learning how to properly insert pigment into the skin, you need to learn how to create real brows. If you only know how to blend, you'll never create hairy, voluminous and alive brows. How such brows heal and where, ask about the pigment. It is inserted just like in the blend. If you're skilled in it, these hairs as well are under your control. It's all about drawing, the sketching. By the way, these brows after 5 years